Dirty floors that still look streaky after mopping is one of the most frustrating parts of cleaning. That's exactly why steam mops have become so popular. They lift grime with heat instead of just spreading it around. The latest models are stronger, faster, and much more effective than the old-school versions. So, here's the question. Which ones are actually worth your time and money? Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best steam mop options on the market right now. Whether you want a budget-friendly option, powerful, heavy-duty cleaning, or feature-packed, all-in-one performance, there's something here for you. And to make things even easier, we've included the product links in the description, so be sure to check them out. Let's dive in. Number 5 is the Shark S1000 Steam Mop. This is the best budget option on our list if you're tired of scrubbing floors with cheap mops that leave streaks, residue, or just don't clean well. This budget-friendly steam mop is a must-have upgrade. Compared to most low-cost alternatives, this one actually delivers consistent steam power and better control, which means cleaner floors without needing extra chemicals or fancy attachments. The standout feature here is the removable water tank, something many budget models don't offer, and it makes filling up super easy while letting you clean more space without constant interruptions. What really gives it an edge, though, is how the steam saturates the pad evenly, helping you lift sticky stains with just a couple of passes. Think of those stubborn spots under the dining table. With this mop, it's basically steam, swipe, done. No residue, no rinsing, no hassle. On the user experience side, it's lightweight at under 5 pounds, glides easily around furniture, and the washable pads mean you're not constantly buying refills. A small drawback is that the cord isn't retractable, but it's long enough at 18 feet that most people say it's not a big deal once you get used to wrapping it. Many reviewers say this mop surprised them with how effective it is for the price, and honestly, that's the perfect summary. Simple, lightweight, and way more capable than you'd expect from a budget pick. Thumbs up for the Shark Steam Mop. Number 4 is the McCulloch MC1385 Deluxe Canister Steam Cleaner. Best large-scale versatility. When you've got big areas to clean and stubborn grime that just won't budge, a basic steam mop simply won't cut it. And that's where a large-scale option like this really stands out. Its biggest standout feature is the large 64-ounce tank that delivers up to 120 minutes of steam. And that matters because most competitors need constant refilling after 15 to 20 minutes. Here, you can clean your kitchen, bathroom, grout lines, and even furniture in one session without breaking your rhythm. In real life, this difference is huge. Imagine starting on a dirty tile floor, working your way across the room, and not having the machine stop halfway through. It feels like switching from a small water bottle to a full hydration pack. Another highlight is the 23 included accessories, which let you switch from floors to grout to car interiors with almost no effort. And what I like about this product is how durable the attachments feel. Users repeatedly say the brushes hold up far better than cheaper alternatives. The overall experience is surprisingly smooth. Long power cord, long hose, and adjustable steam pressure make it easier to reach corners, walls, and tight crevices. If there's a minor drawback, it's that it doesn't vacuum up leftover moisture. But a quick towel wipe solves that easily, and many reviewers say the same thing. Once you try it, you start steaming everything because it actually gets results. A strong pick for anyone who needs a powerful, versatile cleaner. Thumbs up. Number 3 is the Tineco Steam Mop. Best features. If you've ever wished one machine could vacuum, wash, and steam your floors in a single pass, this best features pick is basically the upgrade you've been waiting for. What makes it worth covering is simple. Most cleaning tools force you to do multiple steps, but this one collapses the whole process into one smooth motion. Its standout advantage is the 3-in-1 cleaning system, which lets you vacuum debris, wash sticky messes, and deep steam at 284 degrees Fahrenheit all at once. That means you're not pushing dirty water around like old-school mops. You're actually removing the grime. Many models either steam or wash, but doing both simultaneously is what pushes this one ahead. Another highlight is the cordless, self-propelling design, which makes it feel like the mop is helping you move instead of weighing you down. It's ideal for larger homes, pet owners, or anyone tired of dragging multiple tools around, kind of like replacing a whole cleaning closet with a single machine. A common user concern with multi-function cleaners is maintenance, but the multi-step self-cleaning system solves that by washing the roller and tubing automatically with fresh water and heated steam. The only minor drawback is that the roller can still collect pet hair, but users say it pops out easily and takes seconds to rinse, so it's hardly a deal breaker. With 2 cleaning modes, long-lasting battery performance, and consistently praised ease of use, this Tineco delivers some of the smartest features you'll find in a steam mop. A strong choice if you want high performance with minimal effort. Number 2 is the Dupray Neat Steam, best for heavy-duty cleaning. When you're tired of scrubbing the same stubborn grime over and over again, a true heavy-duty steamer is the upgrade that finally makes deep cleaning feel effortless. One thing we immediately noticed about the Dupray Neat is how hot its steam gets, up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, which matters because that temperature actually melts grease, breaks down dirt, and lifts stains without you fighting the mess manually. Most lightweight steamers never reach that level of heat, and that's exactly why this one performs better in tougher situations like grout lines, kitchen floors, or upholstery. Another big win here is the 17-piece accessory kit, giving you a tool for every job: floors, bathrooms, baseboards, even car interiors. It makes the Neat feel less like a basic steamer and more like an all-purpose cleaning system. For anyone with pets, large floor areas, or constant messes, this kind of versatility is a game changer, almost like having a portable detailing shop in your house. Now here's what users rave about most: its overall durability. One reviewer dropped it down the stairs and said it kept going just fine. So you're getting a tank of a machine. The long steam time is another advantage, with up to 50 minutes per fill, letting you clean multiple rooms without stopping. If we're being picky, it doesn't have a water level window, but users say you quickly get used to the rhythm of each cleaning session. With powerful heat, a wide accessory kit, and consistently strong customer feedback, the Dupray Neat earns its spot as one of the best heavy-duty steam cleaners you can buy. We like this one a lot. Number 1 is the Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop. This is the best overall today. The reason this mop takes the best overall spot is simple. Most people are tired of steam mops that clean well at first, then struggle with sticky messes, small tanks, or weak output. This one solves all of that in one go. Its standout feature is the flip-down easy scrubber, which cuts through dried-on grime without forcing you to get on your hands and knees. And countless reviewers say the same thing. Once you try that scrubber, you'll wonder why typical steam mops don't include it. Another thing users love is the removable, easy-fill water tank, because it means fewer interruptions and zero frustration with tiny openings or funnels. And paired with the Smart Set digital steam control and the quick 30-second heat-up time, you get a cleaning rhythm that feels smooth, fast, and almost effortless. Many people mention how helpful the long 23-foot cord is too, keeping them moving without constantly looking for new outlets. Compared to most models, the overall package stands out because it feels sturdier, cleans more consistently, and offers a more thoughtful design. Even down to the swivel steering and included soft and scrubby pads. It's a bit like switching from a small compact car to something solid and well-built. You feel the difference immediately. With powerful steam, great ergonomics, and years of positive feedback behind it, the PowerFresh is the safest buy it once and use it for years option on the list. Highly recommended. Let me know in the comments which steam mop is your favorite. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and tips. Thank you for watching.